Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ahrefs for backlink analysis and affiliate growth, full guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Ahrefs website. If you don't have an account, sign up for a subscription that meets your needs. Once logged in, you will land on the Ahrefs dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface to understand where different tools are located. To begin backlink analysis, click on the Site Explorer tab. Enter your website URL or the URL of a competitor's site in the search bar. Select the country if necessary and click the search button. After the results load, review the overview of the website's backlink profile. Take note of the total backlinks, referring domains, and domain rating displayed. Scroll down to see the backlinks section for a detailed list. In this section, you can filter backlinks by type, like to follow, no follow, or lost links. Use the filters to focus on high-quality backlinks relevant to your niche. Now, examine the anchor texts to understand how other websites are linking to you or your competitors. Identify opportunities for affiliate growth by looking for sites linking to similar content. Next, navigate to the Content Explorer feature. Enter your target keywords related to your affiliate products. Analyze the top-performing content to gather insights on popular topics in your niche. Review the backlinks for this content to discover potential sites for outreach. Utilize the Alerts feature to monitor new backlinks to your website or specific competitors. Set up alerts for competitor backlinks to stay informed about their growth strategies. Make a list of potential partners for guest blogging or backlink opportunities. Visit the Keywords Explorer tool to find relevant keywords for your affiliate products. Assess the keyword difficulty and search volume to identify worthwhile targets. After selecting your keywords, create content that leverages this research. Incorporate keywords naturally into your website and promotional content. Regularly check your backlink profile to track the effectiveness of your affiliate strategies. Use the Disavow tool if you find toxic backlinks harming your site's SEO. Keep adjusting your backlink strategy based on performance metrics and insights gained. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.